How to change birthday on X or Twitter. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your app, and once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top left corner, and once you're here, click on profile. On this page right here, click on edit profile at the top right, and then here scroll down till you find this option that says birth date. Click on it. You will get to this page right here where you will be able to change your birthday. Just click on the birth date field right here. Once you do that, you'll get this pop-up window that asks you, are you sure you want to edit your date of birth? And it tells you that this can only be changed a few times. So keep that in mind. Click on edit to continue. And here you will be able to change the birthday of your account, and at the bottom you can edit the privacy, so you can edit the month and day privacy and the year privacy according to what suits you the best. Once you're done, click on continue at the top right to save the changes. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to change date of birth on X or Twitter. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.